This is a short video to demonstrate accessing the Workshop cloud computing environment. This can all be done through a web browser. To do that, start by going to workshop.colorado.edu. It'll take you to this page. There's three things that are part of the workshop that you can access. You can access Rstudio, web-based SSH, or change your password. The first thing you might want to do is change your password to something that you will remember. Just click Password Change, log in, enter your username, your existing password. That will log you in. Then you can just enter what you want to use as your new password. When those match, these boxes will not be read. Click Change Password. Your password has been updated. You're done. You can then go back to the workshop page. Next time you log in, use your new password. Most of the practicals at the workshop will be done using Rstudio. To access Rstudio, you can just simply click on this link. That will take you to Rstudio. You'll then want to log in with the password, the one you just changed. Sign in. After a few moments, that will start up Rstudio. You'll be looking at a screen that looks something like this. How to actually use R is the subject of other videos and tutorials. You're done with R, you can just say sign out. That will take you out. Return to the workshop page. To use the web-based SSH, you just simply click this box. It's oftentimes convenient to have more than one SSH open. So to do that, you can just right-click and open a link in a new tab, or whatever's appropriate for your browser. Go to that tab. It's asking for your login again. Enter your username, your password, and you now will have a command prompt. With this prompt, you can then do various things that will be discussed in practicals. When you're done, you can click exit. If you decide you want to use it again, you can hit connect to log back in. You can open up several SSH sessions if you prefer. You can also use a local SSH client, such as the one built into the Mac or Linux, or PuTTY or Bitvice for Windows. There are other videos and documentation discussing how to install those. Several public resources are available from this page. One is the course syllabus, which will be where you will go to find what videos to watch each day and things like that. The YouTube channel, where you will actually watch the videos, and the workshop discussion forum, where you can post questions and discuss workshop and modeling in genetics topics with other students and faculty. If you have any questions, it's probably best to post those in the forum or email me directly.